Okay. First of many vlogs, no, that I'm going to share about Krisha's Kitchen, no. Um, I'll be vlogging about them twice, no, a week, 2 times every week for a certain period of weeks, number of weeks, no. Anyway, the first vlog that I want to share about Krisha's Kitchen is that kung kayo yung nag-LCIF or thinking about doing LCIF and you think nakakagutom gawin ng LCIF o depriving gawin ng LCIF. These are common misconceptions, no? Either by people na hindi alam kung ano yung LCIF or dahil ginugulo sila, no? Based on information or misinformation ng ibang mga anti-LCIF dyan, no? So, if you want to do LCIF, it's not really something na nakakagutom kasi we basically eat until full, no? Ng meat, egg, seafood. So, imposibleng magutom ka sa LCIF dahil until full nga ang kain natin. As for deprivation, no? If you're going to do strict LCIF, no? Yan, medyo depriving dahil, syempre, iniiwasan nga natin yung mga sugary, iniiwasan nga natin yung something sweet, no? Kasi pag sabi mong strict LCIF, meat, egg, seafood lang talaga. Meat, egg, seafood, water, salt. Yun lang talaga pagka strict LCIF. So, hindi nakakagutom ang LCIF dahil eat until full tayo. Depriving can be depriving. Lahat naman ng quote-unquote healthy, talagang depriving. Diba? So, pag magwo-workout ka, depriving din yon dahil other things that you can do, you cannot do because magwo-workout ka. You have to make time. So, anything that is quote-unquote healthy, anything, depriving talaga. So, ganun din ang strict LCIF. Medyo depriving kasi iiwas tayo sa sugar, iiwas tayo sa something sweet kasi nga meat, egg, seafood, water, salt lang. Diba? But, if you're just going to do technical LCIF or casual LCIF or casual or conditional LCIF, then hindi na siya depriving. Yes, we will still avoid sugar, high carb, but there are options. Doon ngayon pumapasok sa quote-unquote options si Krisha's Kitchen. So si Krisha's Kitchen is a merchant, no? Is an enterprise. Is an entity that basically sells low carb goodies. So mga cake, mga ice cream, mga pastries, and other low carb goodies that you can think of. So, if you're someone na gustong gawin ng LCIF and at the same time ayaw naman na de-deprive, ibig sabihin, you don't want to do strict LCIF, but I want to do LCIF. So, if you're someone na gustong gawin ng LCIF for better health, not to be the healthiest in the world, but to be healthier than you were, na walang deprivation, then Krisha's Kitchen is a merchant that you can go to para bumili at makakain ng mga masasarap na mga goodies na sinabi ko kanina. So, yun, no? So, if you want to do strict LCIF, definitely you cannot purchase anything from Krisha's Kitchen or any low-carb merchants for that matter. No? Kung gusto nyong strict LCIF. Pag strict LCIF, rekta, meat, egg, seafood, water, salt lang kayo. But if you're going to do just technical LCIF, casual LCIF, Krisha's Kitchen is one of the many merchants that you can go to. And personally, dito sa Metro Manila, madali, okay, maganda na bumili kay Krisha's Kitchen. Dahil bukod sa online, meron silang actual stores sa mall. So, maraming parking, accessible, etc. Hindi tulad nung iba, medyo mahirap sa parking, etc. Diba? So, ang Krisha's Kitchen, if you want to try them, if you want to try their low-carb goodies, no? You can go to either Glorieta 4, Pagpanik nyo sa Glorieta 4 dun sa may food choices area, bago pumasok sa food choices area, nandun sila. No? Nandun sila. Bago pumanik papuntang Glorieta 4 na cinema, nandun sila sa baba nun. Okay? So you can go there sa Glorieta 4 or you can go sa Alabang Town Center. No? Glorieta 4 is in Makati. Alabang Town Center is in, of course, obviously, Alabang, Muntinlupa. So nandun naman sila sa food court ng Alabang Town Center. Sa Bukana, pagpasok mo ng food court ng Alabang Town Center, nandun na kagad sila. So again, if you want to do LCIF, as in technical LCIF, yung ayoko naman nang dinedeprive ako, then buying from Kirsch's Kitchen, trying their low-carb goodies is the way. Okay?